Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a Target haul with you. This is the first time that I have attempted to order online through the Target app and just do curbside pickup, and it went so quick and easy. I literally was able to order and pick up within only a couple of hours, and you kind of just click on the app to let them know that you're on your way. And I pulled up to the pickup area, they came right out. I was in and out in 30 seconds. So it was so quick and easy. Hopefully everything in the order turned out okay. And I'm excited to share with you guys my grocery Target haul. And there's like a couple of additional items that are not grocery related that I'll share with you guys. But one of my patrons did request that I do another grocery haul. Actually, I think a couple of them had mentioned that they would like to see that again. I'm always taking requests from my patrons, and I just think it's fun to watch grocery hauls anyway, especially Target ones, because I love Target. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys everything that I picked up today at Target. Okay, this is going to be a quick grocery haul because it's mostly just snacks and things that I needed to fill in. I did my regular grocery shopping at the beginning of the week. So I have these vanilla yogurt covered raisins. I have not bought these since my kids were toddlers. I just totally forgot about them, and I always did like them, but I didn't realize, I don't know if you guys can see, these are like teeny tiny little boxes that you could probably fit in an Easter egg. So I guess these were left over from Easter time. I thought they were regular size boxes, but whatever, that's okay. Okay, so I just took it out to show you. This is how tiny they are, and then I'm gonna show you the inside. This I did not expect at all either. They're all like multicolored Easter colors, so that's not what I was expecting. Cute for Easter though. And then I have Cheez-Its, the white cheddar and the original, some Almond Breeze almond milk, and then over here I have some oatmeal, the variety pack for my kids, but then me and my husband like the regular old-fashioned oats. We have some bananas, some almonds, and then I have some of the Amy's soup. I really have been eating a lot of that lately. And Pirate Booty Tostitos. These just remind me of childhood. I used to have these all the time when I was little, and I just felt like picking them up and revisiting that. I have some frozen strawberries for smoothies, some applesauce. We like the no sugar added applesauce. And then I picked up a whole bunch of the Activia yogurt and lots of milk. My teenage son has been drinking so much milk lately. I just feel like I cannot keep up with it. So 2 whole milks and then 1 2% milk. And these are the bags that they put everything in. They're special pickup bags, which I like because they're a lot more sturdy than the traditional Target bags, and they have just like sturdy handles on them. And then over here, again, this is mostly snacks, things that the kids wanted and stuff. So there's no meat and not very much produce, but I have some fruit roll-ups. And then we also have some vanilla protein shakes, some chips, and my husband lost his screwdriver and he hasn't been able to do lots of things around the house because of it. So I am giving him this whole set. This way we can't go wrong. I know some of the door handles and things could be put back on. That we have all of the screwdrivers in all different sizes. And then I picked up some razors. I picked up these biker shorts. I want to try them for our Disney trip. I'm just trying to find things that are going to be light and comfortable, so I'll try them on. I do like that it has pockets on either side, and I'm sure it'll be super comfortable with a t-shirt in the Disney parks. So, and also to wear underneath sundresses, because I am bringing a few sundresses and I just like to have shorts underneath it, especially if I'm going on rides and things. And also for our upcoming trip, I picked up some of these C-bands. I use these so often. My daughter Madison likes them as well. And they're great for a long car ride, which we're going to be having, I think, about 17 hours each way in the car, and also for rides. So I picked up 2 of those. And then also for our trip, some Germicidal wipes by Clorox so that I can disinfect things. And I'll probably take some of these out and put them in a Ziploc bag too, and keep them like in my Disney park bag so I can sanitize things when we go out to eat and stuff like that. And that is it. I know it wasn't very much, but I was super excited to be doing the Target pickup for the first time, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick Target grocery haul. We have a family of 5, and again, like I said, this was like the end of the week, just filling in things, but it was a great way to experiment with the Target pickup. And I more recently have started using the Walmart pickup. That's usually where I get all of my meats and produce and stuff like that. And like I said, I did do that earlier in the week, but I'm really happy to know that I can now do that at Target as well. So really helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you do like online ordering and pickup wherever you live and what stores you prefer to do it at, because our grocery store is horrible and that's why I stopped using our grocery store. But Walmart and Target, they do a really good job. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.